Hey guys, we are entering into, I guess it's week 5, pushing week 5 of our business law course, and this week you are going to actually start Unit 2. As of today, Monday, February 18th, you should be finishing up all of Unit 1, including the assessment, so make sure that you have all of that completed, including the Unit 1 assessment. And we're going to talk in Unit 2 about contract law and understanding contracts. One thing to remember, and I don't know how many of you have ever been privileged enough to look at any type of law contract. They are very, very detailed to the point of you have to understand the legalese, the language. Something that if you don't understand might take a page for a contract, might be this thick in a legal contract because they have to make sure that they have every single term or condition covered and it's written in the correct language and the correct vocabulary. So we're going to use in this lesson 2.01, I've got a video here to try and help you understand contracts that some students made, your vocabulary words. Here are the PowerPoint notes that you can take and put in your notebook. And here's in elements of the contracts by a student to understand more. This is the text chapters we're going to be working in with 2.01. And you have 4 chapter assignments, 4.1, 4.2, 5.1, and 5.2, and you'll do each of those and turn each of those in. And then you're going to have some practices on different activities to help you really understand contracts. A lot of lawyers, there's different aspects of the law. Some lawyers like to deal just specifically in court, criminal law, civil law, things of that nature. You have some who don't want to deal with court, so they deal with contract law, and it's basically things like wills and estate planning, real estate. There's lawyers that only deal in real estate, and so you've got to understand all the characteristics of a contract, what holds it legal, and so that's what these activities will take you through. You've got a discussion. I've put you some flashcards and 2 practice quizzes here. And then you'll go to the 2.01 assessment page. That's under the 2.01 page right here. And you will take the assessment. And that is what's due by next Monday, which is February the 25th, I think. But we can look at our calendar and make sure. 25th, yes, it is. So 2.01 is due by next Monday, February the 25th. And again, if you have any questions, you guys seem to be doing really good. I'm really, really proud of the work you're turning in. But if you do have any questions, hit me up on that Remind app and let me know. You guys are working really hard, so I really am impressed with the work you're doing in this class. Okay, so if you have any questions, hit me up. I'll talk to you later. Bye.